All right, August the 13th, 2021. This is the North WIER box. I'm standing on the levee side of it. This is the bottom part of it. I took the other video. I guess I'll call this part 2, but just to get a better shot of the bottom part of it. As you can see, that's the placement area, the placement 8. That's the placement area. So here's the WIER box. Just kind of watch my step here as I'm doing this. Doing this video. There we go. Here at the south end. Hoping I ain't moving too fast. Be able to pause this as you're looking at it and look at different areas. I'm just trying not to go too fast, so that hopefully it gets a good video of what it looks like, what's here. Okay, I think that covers it. I'm pretty sure. Let me just go ahead and do a 360 view. There's the catwalk itself. Going up underneath there. Or it's got to be weed eater, I'm not for sure. There's one support beam for the catwalk. There's where it goes underneath. And that should be it of part 2.